Hi guys! Welcome again to our channel. Today, papasyal kami with the kids and medyo maulan kaya indoors naman yung namin pupuntahan. So, we are at the western part of Oakland. This area is called The Grounds. So, medyo colorful yung area, attractive sa mga bata. Tingin-tingin lang kami and then after this, we're going to have our lunch. This part here is called the WHOA Studio, WHOA Studio. Yung playground nasa labas and then we had to buy a ticket first. It's about $7.50 per child para makalaro sila doon sa labas. It's like we're in London. So, dito na kami sa restaurant. O-order na lang ng food for lunch. Ito ang cute ng mga decorations ng ceiling para siyang bahay ng bubuyog. Ang ganda ng color, parang napaka-relaxing ng venue. So, nag-enjoy kami and then mga bata, gustong-gusto nila yung food dito. Say hi!
That's, yeah.
Oh, I guess you're right. Ooh, la la. So good. Yummy.
Are we on our lunch? And
Cheers, bro. Cheers. Cheers.
cheers!
That's hot.
Gamay na lang taligsit.
My my castle.
Kakai is the king of the castle.
If you believe I can jump right here, you are good.
What's the shoes to be?
Look, monkey, oh, monkey, good, oh. Oh, you're sleeping. Baby is sleeping. Baby sleeping.
Ah! Yeah!